Did you know your cat does weird things for a reason? Number 5. Cats randomly sprint at night. Those are called zoomies. And it's all about releasing energy. Number 4. They stare at nothing. Or at least that's what we think. Number 3. Cats need you like dough. It actually means they feel safe and happy. Number 2. They knock things off tables. Not an accident. They're just curious. But before I reveal number 1, how much love would you give this poor cat? Empty bowl. Ignore. Full bowl. Like friends. Share with a friend. Safe home. Comment. A heart emoji. Dream life. Subscribe. And do everything. Number 1. Cats suddenly bite while you're petting them. It's called love biting. Your cat isn't weird. It's just being a cat.